In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a reference on Mendeley. Now, there's multiple different ways that you can do this. One easy way is by dragging and dropping a document that you want to reference. So the way to do that is you want to go to the top left and select on Add References right over here. Then you guys can select on this option that says Import Files, and basically you can drag and drop a PDF file or something like that, and then it is automatically going to make the reference for you. You guys can also import folders as well if there's a particular folder inside your computer that does have the files you are trying to actually cite. And over here we got import library, and this will allow you to transfer a reference library into Mendeley, so that is another great option that you guys have. Now, if you want to add a reference manually, you need to go ahead and select on this option right over here. Then you will need to select on the reference type, so it can be like a book, a computer program, etc. Then you want to enter in the title, authors, year, pages, volume, etc. And it will actually depend based on what type of reference you're making. So obviously a book is going to be slightly different from like a patent, for example. So just keep that in mind. But anyways, afterwards, you're able to go ahead and press on add entry. And as you're able to tell, I was able to go ahead and actually get a reference over here. And I actually referenced this by just dragging it and dropping it over to Mendeley. And it was able to get the job done. And if you want to go ahead and actually copy it so we can use it on like our documents, you want to select on it, go to the bottom menu, select on copy as, and then go ahead and select on formatted citation or latex citation or this option as well. It's a lot of great options. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.